Salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Safia Alia binti Ghazali. My student number is 2023878584.
My name is Nastasha Kristina binti Zalizan. My metric number is 2023466666
My name is Nur Atika binti Zairi. Student number 2023804334.
My name is Nuratika binti Hasman. My metric number is 2023X78884.
Hello viewers, welcome to today's education. Our topic for today is rigid pavement. Rigid pavement is a type of road pavement constructed using cement concrete and is well known for its high durability and strength. It distributes traffic loads over a wide area through slab actions, allowing it to withstand heavy vehicles with minimal deformations. This type of pavement is commonly used for highway, industrial roads, and airport runways. With its long service life and lower maintenance requirements, rigid pavement remains a reliable choice for modern road constructions. However, proper construction methods are essential to ensure good performance and long-term survivability.
Next, I will be presenting the advantages and disadvantages of rigid pavement. Let us begin with the advantages. Firstly, rigid pavement has a long service life. When properly designed and maintained, it can last between 20 to 40 years. This makes it highly suitable for highway and expressway that carry heavy traffic every day. Secondly, rigid pavement has a high load-bearing capacity. The concrete slab is able to distribute heavy vehicle loads over a wider area, allowing it to support heavy vehicles and high axle loads more effectively. Thirdly, rigid pavement requires low maintenance. Compared to flexible pavement, it needs fewer repairs, which helps to reduce long-term maintenance costs and minimize traffic disruptions. Fourthly, rigid pavement has a good resistance to weather and water. It performs well in hot and wet climates such as in Malaysia and is less affected by heavy rainfall. However, rigid pavement also have several disadvantages. Firstly, it has a high initial construction cost. The use of concrete and steel reinforcement makes it more expensive to build compared to flexible pavement. Secondly, rigid pavement requires a longer construction and curing time. Concrete needs time to harden before it can be opened to traffic, which may cause delays and traffic congestion. Thirdly, rigid pavement produces higher noise levels. Concrete surface generates more tire pavement noise, especially at high speeds. Lastly, repair works are more complex. When damage occurs, the entire concrete slab usually needs to be replaced, making repairs more difficult and costly. In conclusion, although rigid pavement has a higher initial cost and longer construction time, its durability and long-term performance make it very suitable for high traffic routes such as expressway.
Now, let us take a closer look at the rigid pavement construction process. The construction process begins with site preparations, where the construction area is cleared and properly prepared. Next is subgrade preparation, where the soil is leveled and compacted to form a stable foundation. This is followed by sub-base and base course constructions, which provide additional strength and help distribute loads effectively. After that, proper installation is carried out to define the shape and thickness of the concrete pavement. Then, reinforcement placement takes place, where steel reinforcement is installed to improve concrete strength. The next stage involves concrete batching, which means transporting and placing, where concrete is prepared and poured into the formwork. One place, concrete compaction is performed to remove air voids and ensure uniform density. Following this, surface finishings including floating, belting, roofing, and edging is carried out to level the surface, enhance appearance, and improve skid resistance. The pavement then undergoes curing, where moisture is maintained to allow proper concrete hardening. After curing, joint installation is carried out to control traffic caused by slippage. Before the pavement is opened, quality control and quality assurance are conducted to ensure all standards and specifications are met. Finally, once sufficient strength is achieved, the rigid pavement is opened to traffic.
Let me start with the problems in rigid pavement construction. First of all, rigid pavement has a high construction cost. This is because it uses concrete, steel reinforcement, and complex designs, which makes it more expensive than flexible pavement. On top of that, when damage happens, the entire concrete slab usually needs to be replaced, not just repaired partially. So yeah, this really increases maintenance costs. The second problem is the long construction and cooling time. Rigid pavement normally needs several days before it can be opened to traffic. This often causes traffic congestion, especially on busy expressway. If cooling is not done properly, the concrete can develop surface defects like cracks and early damage, which reduce its durability. Okay, now I will move on to the solution implemented to overcome them. To reduce costs, plus expressway will introduce a hybrid pavement system. This system uses rigid pavement as the base and flexible pavement, or SCWC, as the surface layer. This helps to lower construction costs while still keeping the road strong. In addition, fly ash and slag are used to replace part of cement, which help reduce material costs and is more sustainable. Next, to solve the problem of long construction time, the hybrid system allows roads to be opened faster, which reduces traffic disruption. Proper cooling methods are also applied, such as water spraying, wet cloths, and curing compound to make sure the concrete gains enough strength.
Now, for our next segment, we focus on new technology that are currently being applied in construction projects and across the highway industry. One of the most significant innovations is the hybrid rigid pavement system. This technology integrates its concrete-based layer that provides high structural strength and effective load distribution, with an asphalt surface layer designed to improve ride comfort and skid resistance. The hybrid system is particularly suitable for high traffic expressways, as it enhances pavement durability while reducing long-term maintenance and rehabilitation needs. Another technology gaining attention is high-quality cement patching, which is used for minor repairs on rigid pavements, typically covering area of up to 2 by 2 meters. By using rapid hardening cements, repair works can be complete within a shorter time frame. This minimizes traffic disruption and lane closures while ensuring that the pavement's structural integrity and performance are maintained. In terms of safety, skid resistance plays a crucial role in modern roads design and maintenance. Surface friction is tested using the British pendulum tester to ensure compliance with safety standards. Elevated skid resistance significantly improve vehicle control, especially using wet weather conditions, helping to reduce accident and enhance overall road user safety. To conclude today's news, a study conducted a section of Plus Expressway showed that rigid pavement is suited for Malaysia's high traffic highways. The findings reveal that the rigid pavement provides greater structural strength, support heavy axle loads, and offer a longer service life than flexible pavement. The study also notes that a hybrid rigid pavement system improves driving comfort, reduces noise, and enhances skid resistance. Despite higher initial construction costs and longer construction time, rigid pavement delivers to long-term advantage through lower maintenance. That's all for today's education. Thank you for everyone who watching us.